Barron Trump, the youngest son of Donald and Melania Trump, has transformed from a child under intense public scrutiny to a pivotal figure in his father's political strategy. This evolution highlights his personal resilience and the distinctive parenting approaches of his parents. Growing up in the public eye, Barron faced unique challenges. Despite the constant media attention, he maintained a low profile, focusing on his education and personal development. Melania Trump, known for her protective nature, emphasized open communication and provided a stable environment for Barron. She once stated, "I am a full-time mom. That is my first job." This hands-on approach allowed Barron to navigate his unique circumstances with confidence. As Barron matured, he began to leverage his understanding of modern media to influence his father's campaign strategies. Recognizing the shifting media landscape, he advised Donald Trump to engage with popular internet personalities and platforms. This included appearances on podcasts like The Joe Rogan Experience and interviews with figures such as Patrick Bet-David. These strategic moves significantly boosted his father's appeal among younger demographics. Patrick Bet-David, after spending time with Barron, remarked, "The more I spend time with Barron Trump, the more impressed I am with him. Most interesting 18-year-old I've met." On Inauguration Day, Barron stood alongside his family, embodying the journey from a child shielded from the public eye to a young man contributing meaningfully to his father's success. The applause he received from the crowd was not just for his father's victory, but also a recognition of his personal growth and influence. His story serves as a testament to the impact of supportive parenting and the ability to turn early adversities into platforms for positive change. In essence, Barron Trump's evolution from a boy facing public challenges to an influential figure in political strategy highlights the profound effect of his parents' guidance. Their blend of protection, open communication, and emphasis on personal responsibility has not only shaped Barron's character, but also allowed him to play a pivotal role in engaging a new generation of voters.